hello friends, welcome to the class once again. Today we will discuss prime factorization and how to find the HCF, the highest common factor, the greatest common divisor, with the help of this method called prime factorization. So just focus on the board and listen while I explain. So as you see on the board, today we will discuss prime factorization and HCF, how to find the HCF. Right? Now what is a prime factor? A factor of a given number is called a prime factor if this factor is a prime number. For example, 2 and 3 are prime factors of 12. Right? Got it? Now prime factorization means actually to express a given number as a product of prime factors. I have written 3 examples on the board. The first one is the number 1260. So how to find the HCF by prime factorization? Just look on the board and focus at the first example. The number is 1260. So we write it as shown. The first prime number is 2. So we divide 1260 by 2 and we get 630. Then again the division is there. We get 315. Next we use 3. Then we get 105. Again by 3 we get 35. Then we use 5 and we get the answer as 7. So finally we get the last number as 1. So this way we have to start from 2, 3, 5, 7 in the increasing order, and you will get a sequence of the prime numbers, the prime factors. And finally we can write down 1260 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. So this total comes out to be 1260. One important thing is the concept of power. If I am writing 2 into 2, this means 2 ki power 2. 2 power 2. 2 raised to the power 2. It is also known as 2 square. So we write 2 square into 3 square into 5 into 7. Just see the next example. Give the prime factorization of 20570. Same way we proceed. We start with 2 and we get the answer as 10285. Then with 5 we get the answer as 2057. Then we use 11, we get 187. Then again by 11 we get 17, and 17 ones are 17. So this way the process goes on, and finally we write 20570 is equal to 2 into 5 into 11 into 11 into 17, which means 2 into 5 into 11 square into 17. So this was the process to find the HCF by prime factorization of a single number. Suppose we are given that find the HCF of two numbers, say example 24 and 32. Then we will use the same process, and first we will find the prime factors of 24 and then we will find the prime factor of 32. So for 24 we are having 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, which means 2 3 times, that means 2 to the power 3, that is 2 cube into 3. Same way if we see 32, we find that the prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 power 5, 2 raised to the power 5. Now what we do, the next step is we will try to find the common factor over here. We see that 2 is in 32 as well as in 24, and the lowest power of 2 is 2 power 3, which is in 24 as well as 32, right? So the HCF of these two numbers 24 and 32 will be 2 power 3, that is 2 cube, that is 8. That means 8 is the greatest common divisor for 24 and 32. So we have understood that the highest common factor and the greatest common divisor, HCF and GCD, is one and the same thing. I have shown some further examples. Just Read them and observe them very carefully to get a very clear idea about the prime factorization. So friends, keep revising, keep studying, keep enjoying. Bye bye. Goodbye. Love you all. Thank you.